Here we have the procedures on how to make a set of sofa. First, knead your clay to make sure it was still soft and pliable. Mold the rectangular shape of a clay that would act as its bottom foam. Leave the bottom foam and get another piece of clay. Roll it again with flattened needle and stuff edges. After that, connect the bottom foam and the arms of the chair by flattering the connecting part of it. The unfinished sofa, get another piece of clay and divide it into two. Shape it as a square with a little curve on the upper part of it. Then place it into the middle side of your sofa. Next is roll another piece of clay and cut into 4 equal parts and attach it under your sofa. This will stand as a sofa stand. Then the whole procedure to make your own handmade sofa. See? It's easy. Thanks for watching.